Okay, we're going to ears today. Here is the check. $41,152. It was like 41,151 and some change, and I couldn't have no odd number, so I rounded it up. So, yes, are you guys ready to take it there? It's from Bagoday Crochet and Friends. Let's do it. That's a lot of money, isn't it?
Yes.
Thank you, guys.
Yeah, good job, guys. Woo!
All right, guy, I just want to show you that I did get the cashier's check here. You can see it's made out to Effingham Animal Rescue Sanctuary, which stands for ears. $41,152. Let's go do it. All right, so we made it. You can see here it is. This is their office building. Like I said, they foster out their animals, so they don't have a place where they, you know, like if you would go to a regular, some dog rescues, they'll have dogs and stuff, you know, that you can look at and adopt. Here they foster out, and then when
animals aren't actually.
Yeah, and then when someone wants to adopt, they I think they bring them here to meet the people, the animals, don't they? Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Last time we were here, they were adopted.
Yeah, they had an adoption going last time I was here. One lady pulled up and she came over here and said hi, and she said there's another lady coming, so we're gonna go in here in just a second. All right, here it is. Here we go. Eric's got it. Fold it in half. Hey, can I walk in front of you, babe? Babe, can I walk in front of you?
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. I think it's in there, but I'm not certain if everybody's here yet, so just a second. All right. This is Kathy, correct?
Kathy, yes. Yes, and I'm Jonna Schultz.
Okay.
Yeah.
Can you tell, like, what a little bit about what you're... I know that you've made your county in no kill.
Yes, we
Yes.
have. Yeah. I think, yeah, and we're really excited about that. And the interesting thing about that, when you make a decision like that, then you have to be prepared for all the volume of animals that are going to need placed and rehomed, and, you know. So we've seen a little bit about this summer. Animal Shelter and the other nonprofits in our area that handle animals. We're the only foster-based one, but the other ones are full. So we're working really hard to make sure that there's spaces for everybody that needs that.
Yeah, I live in Fayette County, and I remember you guys recently took a pit bull that was really... It was going to be euthanized there, and you guys took it over here.
Are you talking about Letty?
Yeah, Letty.
Yeah, and what fantastic news we've had about her.
I know, I saw an update on her the other day.
Yeah,
I was so
like
sad.
A brand new puppy. I'm like, wow.
I was so sad that they were going to euthanize her.
Yeah.
And then you guys stepped right in.
Well, sometimes it gets to that point.
Yes.
Because it's no small investment to bring a dog back that's been that sick for that long. So yeah, we've been really grateful. We have fantastic vets in this area. You know, you're familiar with that too. You know, and they're just such a great resource, and just the community itself. Yeah.
And you help people, like, if they need help with vet bills and things like that, correct? And
we can, yes. But of course, those funds are limited.
Yes, I understand that.
And that, you know how this goes.
And you are non-profit.
Yeah.
And you
501c3.
Yes.
Non-for-profit.
So you need donations, right?
We always do.
Well, that's what we're here
really
for.
Grateful.
So
we're,
I started.
Tell her what you did.
On YouTube, what I did was I have a crochet knitting channel, crochet channel, but I have a lot of knitters that watch me as well. So I commissioned our people to make knitted and crochet afghans, and then they all sent it back to me, and I held 2 big auctions to raise money for ears.
Oh wow!
And everybody was extremely generous, and this is what we came up with. Actually, this is what.
Go ahead.
Open it up.
Oh my gosh!
$41,152.
Oh my gosh! Oh, that's incredible!
Crystal, thank you so much.
Thank you to all of the knitters, crocheters.
Yes, my goal was 20,000, but everybody on my channel is so generous. This is all them. It was only my idea. Last time I came in here, I think in 2019 with $4,000, and I said they're really gonna like 10 times that amount.
Yeah.
My channel had grown since then. So
this is incredible! Oh my gosh, that's like 100% increase. Oh my god, I'm really bad with math, but anyway. Oh Wow. Oh, we cannot thank you guys enough. And,
Oh,
and
I'm so happy for you.
yeah.
We're so happy for us.
Well, it shows so much trust in what we do. And,
Yes.
Yeah, and Kathy's a big piece of that, and all the people. Yeah.
All of us.
All of us.
We work hard and we love what we do.
And those animals are not placed without the best. I mean, everybody is checked and vetted, and yeah, no animal goes home without knowing that it has a place to come back to if things don't.
That's great.
So-
Now, that's a fake
Yeah.
check. Here's your real one. Cashier's check.
That's a chibi check.
It's a really cool check.
Yeah, like
This is really cool too, but I like that
So-
one. Hang that up on the wall.
From all of us, from Bagoday Crochet, my husband, Mr. Bod, Mr. Bagoday, all my friends,
thank you.
everybody that donated, everybody that just watched, everybody that helped, and any sort of way, we all want to say thank you for all your efforts
Yes,
that you
thank
do.
you.
All right,
To all
we
90,000 of you, thank you,
Thank you.
900,000.
900,000! Oh my gosh,
We
I
got
can't
it.
even believe that.
Keep multiplying.
And next time I do a charity event, I hope maybe we can double that.
Yeah.
I'll try.
Oh my gosh, thank you so much.
So thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
All right, guys, we are leaving now. That was sad, wasn't it? They were.
Yeah.
You know what they said? They said that was the largest donation they have ever received, which blew my mind because I thought that they would have a larger donations from at least from some of the businesses around here. But no, they said that was the largest that they have ever received the whole time they've been running the shelter. And the old man that was in the last video I talked about, who when I gave him the $4,000 check, he was really so thankful and gave me a big hug, and he had tears in his eyes. They told me that he did pass away. But they do have a cattery that they have now in his name.
Yeah.
So
That was his legacy.
that was his legacy. So yeah, I asked about him because he wasn't there, and I had a feeling since he wasn't there that he had passed because he was older in 2019 when I came. So
Needless to say, they were shocked
they were.
at the amount.
Yes.
So awesome job. It's
I-
very, very kind. And just it blew their minds. I know that they were
For
really surprised.
for that being the largest donation they ever received, I'm just in awe and so thankful for you guys that you guys made it happen. And they were still crying when we left.
Yeah.
So thank you everybody for making that all happen. Maybe we can do it again next year. Make it you for 50.
80.
80. Bye guys.